What's up guys, Jeremy here and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because today I actually closed on my next flip, which cost $1.3 million. Now I haven't been here since I first seen it maybe like a month and a half ago, so I'm kind of nervous to see what the sellers left. When I first saw it, there was a bunch of trash here and who knows what other stuff they left, but I told them, hey, don't worry about anything, leave anything you want, just, you know, give me the low price I want. And they're like, okay, fine, we're gonna leave all the trash. And I'm like, okay, so let's go check out what they left. Ooh, all right, all right. This is all the junk right here. Ooh, look at this. Some glasses for you. Wow, dang.
A few moments later.
Trampoline. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
One eternity later.
All right. What else we got? All right. Dude, yeah. So this is all like plants. Probably gonna get rid of all this. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with like these random cement, dirt spots, but we figured it out. All this cement, dirt, probably re-landscape this, add some like green, clear all this out. But yeah, oh look, we got a jacuzzi right there. Oh. Wow. Oh man, I'm not gonna get in that. Okay, so now that you've seen the outside of the front, let's check out the inside. Whew. Wow, okay. They really left everything. Dang, it's one hell of a project. Look at the ceilings right here. Oh man. Whoa, did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
You heard that? You heard that? Dude. Hello? 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 All right, Andrew, you gotta have my back if anything happens. You know, let's check out other parts of the house, right? Okay, this is the living room. So when I first saw this house, I noticed that there's a lot of space, but like this wall here was kind of like blocking it. So I'm thinking about like tearing this wall down if I can and open it up. Probably tear this down, open up the kitchen. We're just hearing some random noises now. I hope like no one just pops out and knocks me. Jesus. But anyway, yes, tear down this wall, tear down this, probably tear down this too. All of these weird lights up here is kind of funky. There you go. So the last time I saw this house, the owners were still living in here. They had all of their furniture, and so I haven't seen it in like a month or so, but this is the first time I'm seeing it. We just closed today, and man, like they left a lot of stuff. Damn. Whoa. Oh yeah, let's see what they got. Oh, happy Thanksgiving. Oh. Let's see. Oh yeah, dang. Oh, and pizza. Oh dang. Okay, there's nothing in there. Well, we're gonna have a lot of fun taking this stuff out. Jeez, some hang nuts. Ooh, okay. Another thing I'm thinking about is like tearing down this wall too. So like when you walk in, everything's just open. This is open. We're gonna make this into like a nice lanai. I mean, not lanai, sorry. We're gonna make this into a nice island. I'm thinking of having like, you know, white porcelain or sorry, white designs. Let me say that again. And then for this right here, I'm thinking of tearing down all of this, making this a really big, nice island. Everything being like modernized and really nice. Tearing down this wall too, but really just want to open up everything because everything's really nice when you open it up. But now this way, this is really the big awesome part about this flip. I'll show you guys. Whew. And here we are. The backyard is literally the ocean, and I'm thinking about putting a dock here maybe, but when this is all done, when you come out here, it's gonna be really nice. I'm thinking of putting building a big deck over here, maybe some railings. Whew, it's windy. And there's lots of space over here too. There's so much to do here. But my thing is I'm probably gonna build a deck here and just make it really nice so whoever buys this, you know, they can have a bunch of fun entertaining their guests, their family. Wow. And I mean, who wouldn't want to, you know, have fun and party with this as their background? And as you can tell, this is the big selling part of everything. Whoa, careful, Andrew. Don't fall. A little about this deal, or actually no, I'll talk about that inside, yeah. But this is super nice. Yeah. Hello? Oh wow, okay, dang, yep. So this is the laundry room. I know, right? Oh God, there's a lot of trash here. All this stuff is like terrible. Lots of damage. So, if you remember on the other side of this wall is that really skinny hallway. I'm debating if I should clear out this wall and make it like clear so you can pass through it, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's the laundry room. Let's check. Oh, I want to show you guys this. Why am I knocking? Hello? No one's here? I hope not. Damn. Oh my gosh. What? I did not see that when I first bought this house, or when I first got into contract. Dude. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. What did I get myself into? Dude, this leak. Jeez. Oh my God. Wow, well, nice of them to leave this bucket. Man, okay. Yeah, this is gonna be one hell of a project. Ooh, Alfani. Oh, dude, this is wet. Jesus, man.
Eventually.
Oh. Dude, look at that. Yo. Yo. Granny left her dentures, dude. Oh man, okay. Yeah, dude, okay. We need to fix that ASAP. Oh God, okay. So you guys think this is crazy? Wait till you see the master bathroom. Yo. Man. Wow. Jacuzzi. I don't even want to lay in this. So I really thought it was cool that they had the skylight in here, but it's like severely damaged. There's like holes everywhere. This wood is rotting. I think this goes outside. So I'm definitely gonna have to like demolish all of this and rebuild it. But yeah, that's gonna be one hell of a project. But there's a lot of space in here. Definitely gonna take this out and make it all flat. Probably put a stand-up tub, maybe like a glass shower here, dual vanities. Dang, wow. I forgot how crazy this was. Ugh, man.
You bought this shit, bro?
For $1.3 million. Damn, okay.
Yeah, I'll get B-roll on that. Holy crap.
Keep knocking like someone's here, dude. Hello? Damn, okay. There's no light in here. Alrighty. Yeah, dude. They're like, yep, your problem now. Nice. Okay.
Eventually.
Dude, you see this? Oh, babe! I'm sorry, babe. Why don't you believe me? What's in here, dude? Oh, wow. Shoot. Why don't you come inside here? Let's see. We got some. I don't know what that is. Oh, wow. This is art stuff. Hello. Dang. Wow, this toilet is still running. Oh, jeez. All right, so to fix this. Wow, okay. I think that's what you do. Oh, God. Jeez. What am I doing? Let me, like, close that. All right. This is the. This is what they use to flush the toilet. Wow. All right, cool. Oh man, this is crazy. Wow. Right? Oh man, you want a haircut? Jeez. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is the thing that was knocking. This is what was freaking us out. Dude, this door isn't even a door. Look at that. Oh, God. Jeez. Wow. Alrighty. This is nuts, dude. And then here's another room. Wow. Okay. I know, right? What is this? Oh, cool. Pirates. Pirate cup.
A few moments later.
Oh, wow. The golf? Here we go. For $1.3 million. That was a good one. All right. This is the closet. Let's see what they left. Okay, wow, okay.
Yo, look at that.
Oh, wow, what is that? Oh my gosh. Dude, that door, that door is so scary. Wow, what if this is like some ancient, like, I don't know, bad luck stuff? I'm scared to touch it. Wow, a lot of books, yeah. Oh, dude, look at this all in the military. Whoa.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, man, okay, let's see. Oh, shit, dude. Oh. Wow. Dang. That's crazy. So this. All right, so now we're in the garage. Clearly they just said, screw it, and left everything. This is crazy. Wow.
Good?
A few moments later.
Oh, snap. Ooh. Oh, dude, I love these. Go in here. Oh. Dude, yeah, so like the cool part is that since I'm a realtor, I represented myself to buy this home. So I got a commission. So I've already made about $30,000, you know, starting this flip, which is pretty cool. Considering the fact that some flippers don't have their license. So I know when people ask me, should you get your license, should you not? That's one of the pros of having your license is you can represent yourself, get a commission, and get some funds when you start the project. So I know what you're thinking, like, all of this is pretty crazy, and I'm pretty crazy for buying it for 1.3 million. Well, actually, It's actually a good deal because I'm buying it at a very, very low price compared to the ARV. When I was looking at comps in this neighborhood, a home on this street actually just sold for $2 million, and that was around 1,700 square feet. This house is around 2,700 square feet, so 1,000 square feet bigger. So I definitely think this could definitely get above 2 million. I'm thinking maybe 2.2, 2.3, we'll see. But I definitely see a lot of potential for this. Obviously right now it's trash, but when everything's said and done, I definitely think I could sell this for around 2.2. We'll just call it that for now.
Wow.
But yeah, that's pretty much the house. I'm super excited. And if I'm buying it for 1.3, I'm doing probably $200,000 to $300,000 in renovation. I'm selling it for 2.2 million. You do the math. What do you think is my profit?